Welcome to Science on the Board. Let's explore amazing science ideas together, one lesson at a time. Have you ever watched an ice cube melt and wondered if it could become ice again? Or seen fireworks explode and thought, can we put them back together? Today we're discovering why physical changes can be reversed and chemical changes can't. Let's have water as our example of physical change. Water molecules are made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, H2O. Water can exist in 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. What will happen if you place water inside a freezer? Correct, it will turn into ice. But here's an important question: did the water change into a new substance? No, it is still the same substance, water. The water molecules, called H2O, remain exactly the same before and after freezing. The water molecules race and swirl through the liquid. As the temperature drops, they begin to slow down, gently settling into a sparkling crystal pattern, turning liquid water into solid ice. The only thing that changed is the state of the water. It changed from a liquid to a solid. Since no new substance was formed, freezing water into ice is a physical change. And if we take the ice out and let it warm up, it melts back into water. Physical changes involve the same substance changing in size, shape, or state without forming a new substance, and they are usually reversible. Now, let's look at the volcano experiment where the kids poured colored vinegar into the baking soda inside their volcano. What happens? Wow, the volcano erupts and bubbles come rushing out. A great example of a chemical change where compounds change during a reaction is vinegar reacting with baking soda. When acetic acid, vinegar, and sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, mix together, something amazing happens. The vinegar and baking soda don't stay the same. Their particles rearrange and join together in new ways to form new substances. These new substances are sodium acetate, water, and carbon dioxide gas. What makes that fizzing bubbles? Yes, it's the carbon dioxide gas. Now for the big question. Can we change it back? Can we collect all those tiny bubbles and turn them back into the exact same vinegar and baking soda? Nope. That's why this is called an irreversible change. An irreversible change means you can't easily return everything to the way it was before. Once that gas floats away, we can't simply put everything back together exactly as it was. The original ingredients have been transformed into new substances. That's what makes this chemical change irreversible. These particles do not disappear, they rearrange themselves into new combinations with new properties. Look for clues like bubbles, color changes, temperature changes, new smells, or even light. Once it happens, it usually can't be changed back, it's irreversible. Quick challenge: identify the type of change in each item. Pause the video to answer. Nice work. Today, we learned that a physical change changes how a substance looks or its state, while a chemical change forms a new substance with different properties. Now, let's try this simple experiment. Add tablespoons of vinegar to a cup of milk and stir gently. After a few minutes, do you see little lumps, called curds, forming? Do you think a new substance was formed? What clues helped you decide? Great work today. See you in the next lesson. This is Science on the Board. Keep exploring. Keep learning. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple science lessons.